Spring is coming. Der Frühling kommt. Hi, I'm Catherine Ernie from Swiss German Online, and this is the topic for our next VIP Swiss German course on Monday evening at 8 p.m. or the German course on Tuesday evening at 8 p.m. also. For more information, check out the link below. So, we will talk about spring, the Frühling. Do you like spring? Hesch gern Frühlig? I hope so. Here are 7 simple Swiss German phrases about spring. Der Frühling kommt. Spring is coming. Der Frühling kommt. Juhui! Super! Die Sunne schiint. The sun is shining. Die Sonne schiint. Es ist warm. It's warm. Es ist warm. Es könnte wieder schneien. But it could snow again. Es könnte wieder schneien. After all, es ist Frühling. It's spring. Morn könnte es wieder schneien. Tomorrow it could snow again. Komm, wir gehen raus. Let's go outside. Let's go outside and enjoy the weather and the sun. Komm, wir gehen raus. Wie warm ist es? How warm is it? Wie warm ist es? Today it was 18 degrees in Zurich. It's unbelievable. Maybe a little bit too warm. So we can talk about this also in our Swiss German lesson on Monday 8 p.m. or German lesson on Tuesday 8 p.m. Go and check out the link below and let's meet next week. Goodbye. Tschüss. Mach's gut.